Wow.
Okay.
This is huge.
That's a fire.
That's a huge.
Wow! Wow!
Look at this, y'all. Look at this,
You got
y'all.
this right here.
Harvest.
And then you got right here.
Mm-hmm.
And you're gonna get more.
Okay. Look at that's the first one.
And the second one.
Okay. And there's more coming.
And second one. How about the third one?
Oh, sorry.
Oh.
Uh-oh. There's more. There's more. There's more. There's more, guys. There's more. So that's mean when you plant one, it's gonna spread. It's gonna spread. So you had just planted one, right?
Yep.
Yep, and it's spread into so many, guys. Look at this. Isn't
That
this
was
amazing?
the one I planted right there. That's the one that was planted.
Wow, that's the one that he planted.
And then
And it spread into these. So that's 2 and that's 3.
hold on. You got all those that was about to develop.
Oh, see,
Like
there's
these,
more that was gonna come up. Look, you see that baby
I
one?
can put
Big one?
it down
Big
to
one?
be bigger. But
Yeah.
let me dig further.
Okay.
They dig it?
You can dig some more. You
See?
see? We see there's more. Wow. I guess it's
found
going
it?
towards the neighbor's
found
house
it?
too.
I found it. You found it. Oh, you found it. Oh,
See?
stop.
Wow, there's more.
See how they're spreading? They
Stop
open
it.
door.
Stop.
I think they go to
Whoa,
neighbor's
more.
that's me.
Oh, more.
house. Just
That's
one is
more.
spreading
That's
into.
more, Daddy. There's more.
They're developing.
There's more.
See, it's this one right here.
Oh wow, look
Ooh,
at
that's it. Look at that.
This one right here.
here.
It's not grown yet,
Yeah,
but
it's not grown yet.
it could have been bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I could just stick this back in there,
Okay.
so it could be a little bit growing bigger.
Okay, guys. So just to see,
No.
just to let y'all know, just one sweet potato made about I would say 4 or 5, and there's still more. We're still digging,
Oh,
This one's
the
like
third
one.
one. The third one.
and we're
This one is
definitely
to the
going to
neighbors,
cook it. See,
so-
there's still
The third
spreading
one,
to
the
our
third one,
neighbor's
the third
house,
one. The third one. The third one.
neighbor's backyard. Oh, it seems like there's more, y'all.
We get some more?
No. I don't want to
Yeah.
go too deep.
Yeah. Well, let's let them keep on going.